Okay, let's go over MLA format for an essay or a paper. The first thing you want to be aware of is you want your paper to be double spaced. If you didn't start it that way, you can just copy the whole thing and then go to line spacing, and instead of single or 1.15 or 1.5, make sure it's on double. The entire paper will only be double spaced. So you'll see that it's double spaced in the header, it's double spaced between the header and the title, the same thing between the title and the first paragraph, the same thing between the intro and the first body paragraph. No quadruple spacing, no single spacing, double spaced throughout. In the header itself, on the first page, on the first line, you type your first and last name, then the name of the teacher. Last time I taught English 9, I had a co-teacher, Mrs. McKinley. I don't have that, so this time you'll just put my name there. English 9, and the due date, which at this point you can put, and I'll change it, you can put as February 12th, 2021, because I'm pretty sure that's the day it's going to be due. That's all left justified right on the margin there, 1-inch margins all around. Then you come down to the next line and you type your title, and then you go up to the alignment and you center it. Now, your title can be clever if you want, or it can simply be the topic of your essay. For this, I'm not too concerned about it. After that, you just hit the enter key and you start typing your intro paragraph. Indent the first line. Type your intro, hit enter, indent, type your body paragraph, and keep going that way. You'll also see correctly formatted parenthetical references here, though there's going to be another presentation for that specifically. The other thing you want to do is on every page after this one, you want to make sure that your last name and the page number shows up. So this is what you want to do. You want to double click on the header. You want to make sure that your justification is not left but right. So go into the alignment and make sure to click right. Then at that point, you want to go to Insert, Page Numbers, go to More Options. Because what you want to do is you want to click off Show on the first page. So you'll still have started page 1, it's just that that won't show up. So you take away the click off on show on first page, you hit apply, and you will see the number 2 appear here. Place your cursor in front of it, type your last name, hit the space bar, and then you can go back into your document. So you will see it does not appear on this page. I already have my name here. But it will appear on this page, and it will just make sure that the page number is appropriate. So even though I don't have any more in here, if I wanted to, you'll see going to the next page, it will appear automatically with the correct page number. So that is pretty much your MLA format. If you have questions or you need help with me, you can definitely ask. The only thing I would suggest otherwise too with the date, you can put 12 February 2021 or February 12, 2021. Do not put 2/12/21 because that is too informal. Okay, so questions, need help, just let me know.